So here's our boy Armani in his kennel. Yeah. You want to go for a walk, don't you? We're going to take him out and go for a walk, and I want everybody to see him walking by other kennels because he just wants to play with everybody. He goes up to all the kennels and you know, tries to play with the other dogs. And of course, he can't. Look at your pretty face. He's got a little bit of a worried look on his forehead with his wrinkles. He's a great dog. All right, here we go. He's immediately trying to go up to a kennel and say hello to another dog. There he is. Oh, you're going to bark at him now? Today he's barking at them, but he's actually been terrified the whole time he's been here in the shelter. He's literally shaking in his kennel. We're going to take him to a big grass yard and run with him and let him play ball.